Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna be making pancit canton using instant noodles. Yes, you heard that right. We are using instant noodles. Can't wait to show you how to make fancy restaurant style pancit canton using store-bought Lucky Me instant noodles. It's so delicious. My family absolutely loves it. These are the ingredients for the recipe. You can find them down below on the description box, and you can also find them on the next screen for the exact ingredients. Before we begin, we'd like to ask for your support. Please subscribe to our channel so that we can make more videos like these. And don't forget to hit the like button and share our videos. Thank you so much for your support. Let's begin. First, we're going to cook the chicken. We're gonna add some salt and pepper, and we're gonna let it boil until it's fork tender. Once the meat is ready, we're gonna shred it with a fork. Next, in a separate pan, we're gonna heat up some oil. Then we're gonna add the garlic and saute it until it's golden brown. Then you add the onions and let it saute until they break apart and become transparent. Next, we're gonna add the shredded chicken, the carrots, celery, and the green beans. And finally, we're going to add the shrimp, and we're gonna let it saute until it turns pink. To give the stir fry some flavor, you can add a packet of the Lucky Me Pancit Canton seasoning. Now we're going to prepare the noodles by following the instructions on the packet. Just be careful not to overcook the noodles so they don't turn soggy. Once the noodles are fully cooked, you can add the stir fry. Feel free to garnish your plate with boiled eggs, slices of red bell peppers, or chopped green onions for color. You may also add Calamansi or lemons for added flavor. Now we're ready to enjoy our fancy restaurant-style Lucky Me Pancit Canton. Bon appetit! Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more videos like this, click on one of the thumbnails on the screen. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can follow our channel. And if you enjoy our videos, click the like button. Thank you so much and happy cooking!